So this is around April 2009 when my family decided to take a quick trip to Dehradun and Mussoorie. We boarded a taxi and started our journey. It was a thrilling experience. Stopping on the food joints and dhabas to grab a cup of coffee, breakfast and lunch, as if these stoppages were the fun moment on our way towards our destination. While on reaching Mussoorie, we headed towards the Kempty Falls. Took a ropeway, and the moment we reached the actual place of the waterfall, my heart broke into pieces and I was disappointed to see that the site was under construction and almost had no water. Although the entire excitement went down the drain, but I still clicked a few pictures with an almost empty Kempty Fall. As if I knew that today I'll be sharing that story with all of you. Right? So we said goodbye to the empty Kempty Fall with the promise to visit sometime later and headed towards searching an accommodation in Mussoorie. I've been always fascinated with Buddhism, particularly the monasteries, the pagoda and the cute dress of monks. And very mystically, now I practice Nichiren Buddhism, which has liberated me, rather inspired, to create value for myself and others. You must be wondering, why am I telling you all this? So on our way to find a hotel in Mussoorie, I found a monastery and we went ahead to check it out. I spoke to a few lamas and captured a few moments with them. And it turned out to be an amazing experience for sure. Although excited, but got completely exhausted in the scorching sun. And the hunt for a decent hotel started, And after roaming from pillar to post, thankfully, we got really comfortable accommodation on the Mall Road, and that too on a reasonable prices. And you will not believe the prices grew massively up, by the end of the weekend. Because it was an extended weekend. The entire world was heading towards our destination. And then people were struggling to find a place. Since we were lucky enough to get a place, we thought why not rest for a while. And then in the evening, we kind of headed towards the sunset point to see the sunset. And I must emphasize, the moment I reached to that sunset point, it was so mesmerizing that I can still recall. I wish I could explain the entire situation or the scenario, the sun, the breeze and everything for you. But unfortunately, the feelings can't be captured, right? So, while after such a great sunset and super cool breeze, we didn't do much. We just roamed around the Mall Road and visited nearby places and parks. Basically, we wanted to keep it light and, wanted to relax so that we get charged up over the weekend to actually handle a tough routine once we are back to home. That is back to our, normal lives. So all I can say, the trip was amazing and definitely a great experience. But what it made us realize, that is, you need not plan a trip extensively. You can definitely go random, but there are certain things that you need to be, watchful of. First would be, if it is a quick trip, then you must check or book an accommodation before reaching the place, so that if there's a lot of rush, you are not affected and you are just not roaming pillar to post to find out an accommodation. Then you could just, search some places that you would want to cover. And it doesn't become hectic for you that, that you keep on roaming only and don't have fun. And finally, if you're not able to cover everything from your list, just don't get disappointed. There's always a next time. Isn't it? So that's my story of the Dehradun and Mussoorie trip. In case if you like it, I would request you to please like, share and comment. And then I'll be certainly be back with a new story for you. Thank you.